we're going to open our Capture app. And you see I already have a lot of materials. As I said before, you can create a new material using the camera, but I'm going to use a previously taken picture. And you see there are many options to use, including Adobe Stock. I'm going to use my camera roll though. And I'm going to choose my original image. And you see, it gives me many options such as shapes, colors, all sorts of things, patterns, brushes, everything. But we want to scroll to the right so that we get the material. And then click the check mark. Now you can adjust these sliders if you would like to. However, I've found that Adobe usually does a pretty good job at adjusting them according to the image and the material that's within the image. Messing with the sliders usually is an experimental thing, and I have done it and gotten worse results than what Adobe gave me. But you see, you can turn this around as much as you like. And you see there's no reflections or anything like that. Now that crack does show up there, which is why I would not use this image in the future, but it worked as a starting out point and to prove my concept. So now you can click crop within the picture. You can click refine again. You can repeat it, blend the edges, change all sorts of things with these sliders. You can even try it in different models, such as a cylinder, polygons, a square, tile, or a purse, bag, which would work for like if you had your own shopping bags to market your item. Me personally, I just use the circle. Unless it's something like bricks, then I might use the plane. Now, just hit the arrow button. Now, you want to name your material. Material 32 is not an appropriate name. I'm going to name this one Botswana Agate. Because I have so many materials, I'm going to add some numbers at the end, 001. Now, a lot of programs don't like spaces, and that's why I did the underscore. Now you see all those options in the beginning show up here as additional options, things that the Adobe Capture program recommends from the image that you took, which are all great, but for now we're just working with materials, so I'm going to save it as it is. Also, you can choose which library you save it to. Most people just have their library, but I like to sort my stuff based on what I'm working on. This one is a crystal, so I'm going to leave it in crystals, gemstones, and rocks. I'm going to click save. Now those other items might be useful for other programs and other things, but right now I just want to do the material. Now, most people would think, okay, it's in my Adobe Creative Cloud library, but I will tell you that when you open your Creative Cloud library on your PC, the only option it will give you for these materials is to delete them or move them. There is no way to save the MDL file to your computer from the Adobe Creative Cloud app on your PC. So here, we're going to click Botswana Gate, and you could have clicked the 3 little dots, but what I'm going, and you can even edit it from here. So like say you decided that you did want to change the roughness, you could edit it. Okay, but for now, I'm going to leave it alone. Click Share. Now, you're going to want to export as a material. And this is where the OneDrive program comes in, or whatever sync drive you use. I use OneDrive, so I'm going to save it to my OneDrive, and then my desktop, and whatever folder you use for your you can actually, since this is a zip file, you can actually just save it to your desktop and then move it later. And wait for it to sync. Now, I've also found that OneDrive syncs much faster than Adobe Creative Cloud. Just a by the way type thing. Okay, now I'm going to move to my PC because it's already uploaded there.